Okay, hello everyone. How are you? Long time not to see you. I hope you are fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Shue M channel. Thank you so much for picking this video, and for today I would like to share you simple tutorial that is how to play YouTube video in the background for Android. Of course, there are two ways of doing this. The first one without application, the second one we will use application. Now let's go to the first tutorial. Please open your Google Chrome or browser, but I use the Google Chrome here, and then type type YouTube on your Google, and then after that we need to play YouTube in the browser, not in the application. So I open YouTube in the new tab, and then after that, after you open the YouTube in the new tab, click those three dots option, and then click the desktop side. Okay. After that, let's try to play a song or play a video, any video, but I prefer just let's play NCS. This is NCS, Dirty Palm Oblivion. Just play it. Okay, so we have the song. After that, let me lower the volume. After that, you need to press your home button. Yeah? It will be paused like this. It will be paused. Let's see the notification. It will be paused. That's fine. Next, you just need to You just need to continue. Play it again. So there you go. You can enjoy YouTube in the background mode. Yes. And what happens if I turn off my screen? Will the YouTube stop or not? Let's try. But if I stop or if I turn off my screen, the screen recording will stop. Okay. But it's okay. I will stop the screen recording first. I stopped the screen recording, but the video is still running. Next, I will try to turn off my screen. See, it's still running. It's still running even though I turn off my screen. Alright, that's the first tutorial. In some mobile phone it works, but in some mobile phone also it doesn't work. So I will give you the second tutorial. Okay, the second tutorial, you need to download this app, and I have shared you the link on the description box here. If you have downloaded, let me show you the application. The application's name is this Manager APK Fans Manager. Just click it and then install because I have installed it. I'm ready to use it. If you have trouble, please enable your enable unknown source in your settings, and then open your Advanced Manager after you install it. Open it, and then if there is update notification, just ignore it, because if you update it, the tutorial will not work. I have tried it. Just close it, and then the next step is you have to install MicroG. This is MicroG. And then after that, you may play or install the YouTube Fans YouTube. Install it. After you have installed the application, so here we go, YouTube Fans, play, open it, YouTube Fans. And yeah, NCS, I will try NCS song. This is Fearless. I will play this. Fearless. Yeah, so you can see I play, and then press home button again, and the application will be minimized. Just close the application. It will be paused. As you can see on my notification center, it paused, yeah, the YouTube Fans, and just play again or continue. So you can enjoy the YouTube in the background mode. This is one of YouTube Premium feature. Let me try to turn off my screen, yeah. But let me stop the screen recording first. Yeah, the video's still running, yeah. I will turn off. So this is it. It's still running. So if the first tutorial is not work, you may try the second one. Okay? Yep, I think that's all about the tutorial, simple tutorial. I hope you can enjoy it and use it in your life. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and see you in the next content. Bye bye.